Warm welcome to everyone here today, the entire Bell Richards Bay team, and we have our esteemed VIP guests here as well. Today marks a significant milestone in the history and legacy of Bell Equipment, the official launch of our new motor grader product line.
Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the 3 models of our graders.
Our involvement was from the get-go, setting up a new line and recruiting new guys and actually overseeing the pre-production machines being built.
It was a very proud moment for me to be involved with this build of the grader machine and seeing its capabilities. We've worked with this machine from last year, and it was actually the first time today that I saw what this machine could do.
We have a dedicated team of welders that produce the parts for us. With that dedicated team comes a dedicated team of quality people that come and inspect it for us as well, to make sure the product that leaves the line goes out with 0 defects.
I take this opportunity to thank the Bell team for your efforts and contribution to our motor grader development. But remember, this is just the beginning.
It was a proud moment for us. It actually felt as though the whole world was looking at us, and we just had to prove our points, and we exceptionally did that here today.